You, in the shirt. Over there in the left back corner. Turn your phone off! Sit back, relax, and enjoy a fantastic story. Detectives lie! It was a smooth morning in Republic City. Detective San Diego and his colleagues were sitting down, but suddenly he got a call. A murder! Something suspicious. Detectives and colleagues investigate the body. There are conflicting theories. Colleagues find something intriguing on the detective's desk. No, it can't be! The poison! The detectives were the murderers! But it won't go down without a fight. Justice has been served. Two years later. Who has been the mastermind all these days?